Hello, my Yeezys! Today we are cooking a mug pancake. So first off, what you're going to need is a mug, pancake mix, and all you need is water or milk. They say to use water, but for this recipe we're using milk. Speaking of milk, I need to get it. What I'm using for my pancake flavoring is I'm using vanilla and ground cinnamon. I'm going to go get my milk. Got the milk, and now we're going to start. Oh, that pancake I've already started making smells good. So we're going to get our pancake mix, and we're going to be like eyeballing it so that it won't go over the top because apparently it has baking powder in it. Shoot. And we are back. Camera seems to fall. Okay, that should be good. Now we're going to take our milk and eyeball it again because I do not have precise measurements. Now we're going to get a fork or something and mix it. If it's too thin or too thick, you can add more milk or more powder. Ooh. And we're going to add our ingredients now. Don't go over the top with vanilla if you decide on using vanilla. I think I went a little over the top. And what the? We're going to take our cinnamon and tap some in there. Well, that's what I'm making for my pancake. A vanilla cinnamon pancake. And I'm going to add more mix, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so now that I've added more stuff to my mix, now we're going to put it in the microwave for 3.5 minutes. Hot. So, I already have one prepared. And there we go. It doesn't stick to the sides, so you can pick it up if you need to and put it on a plate if you want. Or you can just heat up the mug and add syrup, whatever you want. Be creative. Yeah, I don't know where the syrup is, but okay. So, that's your mug pancake. Enjoy!